most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeron.
Well, we say good morning, everybody, on this mild Thursday. It's already warm out there, even with a little snowpack here at the Country Club of Harrisburg. Today is going to remind us that it can get mild in January, but it's not going to last. Just enjoy the day. Mild, breezy temperatures in the 40s. Now, an Arctic push of air will arrive on Saturday, and that's going to set the stage for heavy snow here on Sunday. That is looking more and more likely. There are still some things to diagnose with this storm, including perhaps some sleet mixing in at the end of it. And again, the cold air in place may make for a very fluffy snow, very good accumulating snow. So we need to look at that, and we'll have a snow map out later today. But the odds of this being a big snow increasing with each passing day. Pequea Valley Intermediate School has some snow in there. You know, parts of Lancaster County saw 6, 7, 8 inches last weekend. So they're going to add to that here over this weekend. Temperatures ranging from 30 in Lebanon to 39 in York, 40 in Hagerstown, colder to the north, Williamsport at 24, but this is still a 30 to 40 degree jump from where we were yesterday. Yesterday morning with the snowpack in Lancaster, they had a low of, I believe, 4 below. So pretty impressive stuff. There's a light breeze out there, but winds kicking around in the west here at a good 15 to 20 miles an hour. So it is going to be breezy again today and tomorrow as this front comes through here later today. Mild out ahead of it, but it is producing snow showers in the west. Wouldn't surprise me if we saw a few more snow showers this morning over the ridgetops like yesterday. Mild and breezy today, 43. Winds could gust near 30 miles an hour, and then colder tonight. We dip down into the 20s. But again, that's going to feel balmy compared to what's coming. I mean, this Arctic air is starting to seep southward. Bismarck at 2, St. Paul at 8, Chicago's in the teens. Meanwhile, we're warm, 36 degrees here this morning. But by Saturday morning, that Arctic air is going to be here. So 40s today. Tonight, colder, down into the 20s. It's going to be colder than it is now. We'll bounce back early in the day to near freezing and then watch the tumble happen. So this Arctic air that's coming in, we're going to be in the single digits Saturday morning. This is going to help to feed this snowstorm on Sunday. Breezy at times today, 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. We're going to do it again tomorrow because the leading edge of this Arctic air is going to be gusty with winds over 20 miles an hour, and they will eventually calm down during the day on Saturday. We expect a mix of clouds and sunshine here the next couple of days, but it does look dry through Saturday. Tomorrow looks nice with some sun and clouds at times, and again, not as cold as it will be. Temperatures around 32, but Saturday's going to be cold and sunny to start. Here come the clouds, and then eventually the storm rolls in, likely after 10 p.m. on Saturday night. So let's take a look at this storm as we look at the extended outlook. Saturday night and Sunday morning, especially Sunday morning, that's going to be the heart of the storm. 2-inch per hour rates, really tough to travel around. Now, here comes that sleet line. When does that lift to the north? How much mixing occurs at the end of this thing? That's a question we need to diagnose today. And then it's out of here by Monday morning when it turns blustery and colder. So after 10 p.m. Saturday, snow will develop. It will accumulate overnight, and then Sunday morning looks to be the worst of this. Very heavy snow, 2-inch per hour rates. Travel's going to be greatly impacted. And the rest of Sunday will be cold and snowy with some sleet potentially mixing in. At that point, it may not matter much because I think we have good odds for 8 inches or more of snow. And even if we get a little sleet on top of it, you know, by that point, who cares? The last time we had over a foot with one storm was March 21st, 2018, March. This one has the potential to give us over a foot. I'm not sure it will, but it has the potential. December 2020, this one had some sleet mixing in on the back end of it as well. But you can kind of see the level of snow that we're talking about. And when we run the model here out through 9 a.m. Sunday, some of us already have around 6 inches. And remember, it's going to snow beyond that, and then it stays cold, too. So, again, a lot of snow on the ground, temperatures in the teens for about a week. You want to talk about winter. We've got, look at, wish you could see James's face. We've got it coming. Okay,
Let's zoom in. Can we zoom in on James's face?
So
no,
let's not. We're going to have a map later today. Most of the region probably stands a good chance at 8 inches. It's just a matter of now, when does that sleet mix in if it does? So.
Okay.
Could be a lot more than that, too.
That's right.
So
I was going to say this. Right now, the number's 8.
The low number.
The low number. That's with the
So we'll
sleet.
see. Yeah.
No
I heard
sleet. Sky's the limit.
I don't think the sky's the limit, but
You know what I mean.
I know what you mean. Yeah.
A lot.
Lots to shovel. Yep.
All right. Thank you, Brett. Let's take a look.